What is the gradient of a horizontal and a vertical line? If a line is horizontal, this means there is no change in the vertical coordinate for whatever change in the horizontal coordinate. In symbols, we have delta y equals 0 for all values of delta x not equal to 0. From the formula of gradient, we therefore obtain the following shown on screen. To confirm the result, look at the figure where the line y equals 2 is shown. We have the following shown on screen. Substituting the coordinates of points A and B in the gradient's formula yields, we have the following shown on screen. On the other hand, the gradient of vertical lines is considered as equal to infinity, because there is no change in the x-coordinate, delta x equals 0, for whatever change in the y-coordinate, delta y not equal to 0. In mathematics, a number divided by 0 is undetermined, but if we think of it as a non-zero number divided by a very small number, getting closer to 0, the value of the fraction obtained approaches infinity. In symbols, we have the following shown on screen. To confirm the result, look at the figure, where the line x equals 3 is shown. We have the following shown on screen. The 2 points A, 3, 1, and B, 3, 3, belong to this graph, so they are suitable for the calculation of the gradient. Thus, we have the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 14.2.3, and the end of tutorial 14.2. To continue this chapter, please watch 14.3, Introduction to Equation of Linear Graphs. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.com.